And so today and over the next 3 days, we need to commit to ourselves that I exist on this planet to make a difference. So I'm a student, I'm going to learn for the next 3 days. But the bottom line is if you don't trust the process, then you won't get that transformation. And trust me when I say we know what we're doing. We will take you through quite a powerful journey just today alone, let alone the next 2 days. Trust the process and you'll certainly will get the transformation.
It's been the most amazing weekend. Everybody has been super supportive and I have loved every single second.
What the bootcamp has done for me, it has opened doors for a very different and very powerful style of facilitation, and I'm sure the best is yet to come.
It was an awesome experience. The kind of learning I had, on stage experience was just out of the world.
Not only did I open up over the weekend and learn a whole lot of fantastic techniques, I met some amazing people. I was inspired by their stories, and this all came out over a weekend at the Speakers Institute.
It's a really good program. Like, I've come a long way in 3 days.
I encourage people to please, you'll learn so much in coming along to this 3-day boot camp that it will absolutely blow your mind.
You won't believe the value you get. It is beyond the value that I ever thought it would be.
Honestly, I never thought that 3 days will make you into a different person.
I cannot believe the transformation that has happened, not only to me, but to my message. It is a lot clearer, it is a lot more concise, and more importantly, it is actually hitting people exactly the way that I want them to.
I've learned a great deal here at the Speakers Institute in regard to clarity of message, clear focus on a deliverable to the audience, and being able to connect and pace the message at the right level.
We all have a message to share, so whether that be in business, in a very specific niche area, or whether it's a message for the general public, we all do have a message to share, and it's very important that we effectively communicate that.
If any of you are thinking of wanting to do this, give it some serious thought. It could change your life.